Netflix sheds nearly. Oh yeah, Netflix taking. It's all because of that clip you put out, Will, about them raising their prices.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all your fault. Netflix sheds nearly $50 billion in market cap after borderline catastrophic forecast. Executives expect less than half the net new subscribers that analysts projected for the first quarter of 2022. Shares fall. I'm not watching anything on Netflix these days. You know, the only thing that gets played on Netflix these days in my life is Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, whenever you're in trouble.
We're going to get a copyright.
Because it's so, my rendition
it's uncanny.
was so,
yeah.
You got, let me explain Paw Patrol. You got Rubble, you got Chase, you got Marshall, you got Zumba, you got Sky, and you got, I always forget the green one. Rocky. All right? So don't come at me with any not knowing Paw Patrol. I know Paw Patrol.
Okay. Well, I'll test you tomorrow.
You can watch it on Netflix. But otherwise, I don't know what's going on Netflix. Because I was, you know I'm into the boba. You know I've been watching Bobby Fett.
Sure. Yeah. Apparently that's what it is. A lot of people are subscribing to other services. And the forecast for Netflix is they were expecting higher.
Yeah.
But it didn't deliver.
Listen, Netflix was the only show in town for a while when it came to streaming. Like outside of short form.
Yeah. Which is expected. Yeah. You know, it's going to diversify.
Taper off. Competition comes in.
And I think there's a worry that there's not enough IPs there.
All right. Yeah. Like you're talking about Marvel and stuff like that?
Squid Game. Or like their own IPs.
Oh, original stuff.
Original, yeah.
Right. But they can also buy from others.
They could, yeah.
But it's not native. Like that's where Disney has such an advantage. And then Dune, I was watching Dune the other day, and that was an HBO one. It's just like so many players are coming with major firepower. Oh my God.
Did you finish Dune?
What you talking about finish?
I don't know if you finished it.
What? You talk about it like I would start a movie and not finish it? Do people do that?
Oh, yes, you would do that, yeah.
Do people do that? No, I mean, it will be really hard for me to sit down and actually watch something.
Yeah.
To actually get to that moment because of the chaos I live in. But if it does happen, I'm going to finish that movie.
Okay.
But there's more movies to come. So it's like, you know, I'm lacking resolution. But I was doomed up, man.
Okay, good.
I was on the planets out there. I was with the different houses. I was in the spice trade. Did you do it?
I did, yeah.
You did it as well?
Sure, yeah.
Did you have a time?
Yeah, it was great.
You had a time.
I feel like it would be way better in the theater.
Yeah, you want more sound and stuff?
With yeah.
You want more sound and bigger screen.
Sure.
Popcorn?
Who was the director? Blade Runner? Villeneuve, yeah. Amazing.
Oh, okay.
Very like
you're upgrading
Hans Zimmer.
You're upgrading your thing now.
Yeah.
But you didn't answer my popcorn question. You skirted around that one. Do you eat popcorn?
Did I eat
popcorn? Do you?
Of course, yeah.
What do you put on it?
Just salt. Not a lot of butter. I feel like butter's really
let me ask you something.
Confusing.
Let me ask you something. What is your method for making popcorn?
Microwave.
That sometimes already has butter in it. The microwave popcorn.
Yeah, I mean applying butter is...
oh, okay, because it's more of like a powdery butter flavor if you go in the microwave. I know, you probably can get a pop in the microwave that's just salt, or you can even probably get one that's plain but you got to get one of these units that actually is like heating up the kernels.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the popcorn kernel, and then they start popping like pop, 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 pop. And they're just spinning around on this hot plate.
That would be a amazing experience.
It's quite an atmosphere. It sets the mood.
And doing it at home?
It sets the mood at home. Pop, 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 pop. You know, gets my guys going. They're like, oh, man, it's moving.
Yeah.
Dune! Here it comes, Dune!
Yeah.
Get ready for the spice trade. All right, what do you got next? Netflix.